Hello and welcome to Steve's Backyard Bonsai. On a rainy day, I like the way it sounds. I hope you do too. Today I'm going to be working on a problem tree of mine. I potted this up 2 years ago in early spring 2 years ago. It was one of the trees that my mom grew from a cutting, and it's a little weird. It has a natural shari on it. It's more literati, so I doubled it up with another tree, hoping that someday it would fuse. I don't know if that's going to work long term, but today I'm going to try and get some wire on the branches and make something of this tree. I will repot it in spring, and we'll see where it goes from there. But for right now, I'm just going to get some wire on it, move it around, and hopefully you bear with me with my really bad wiring technique. So 2 years ago, I lashed the two of these together for no other reason than, I don't know, just to give this a little more lower branching, but I don't think it'll ever be, I'll ever be able to pull it off as a fusion. So I'll untie all this, I'll rake it all out, I'll put it in a different pot, probably a round pot, and everything's up here. I want to try and bring some of these branches down and around to give this tree some style. I'm hoping these will set nicely. There are enough branches to do this with, and this area could be filled by this tree. Obviously it needs some selective pruning, but I'll do that as I wire. So let's get started. I'll only make you suffer through a little bit of my wiring, and then I'll go in fast mode. All right, so I'm zoomed up on this area here, and what I plan to do is bring this branch down and I guess kind of this way. So I ought to wire it over and over the top. Okay, so I'm gonna wire this over the top. This is the part which always gets to me. So I only want to go up to here, so I'm leaving, and then I'm going to do the rest of this up here. I want to come over this branch, not touching this one. And over the top of this branch. Bringing it around, not tight. And I think I only want to go to about there. So I did a really crummy job estimating that. So let me kind of bring that down and around. All right, now I want to come up and end up on this branch. So we're going to go around once, and let's see, how do I want to end up on this branch? I think I want to come around the bottom of that branch. And probably want to come up to there. So it's going to have to go in between these two and terminate right around here. And maybe the other length would have been fine. Okay. Let's hold it here. I most recently got a second gin pliers. I've been wanting it for a long time. Mostly for this reason. Okay, Let me terminate this guy. And what I had in mind for these branches, just on the down low part, is just to get some movement down. I still want to come over, but that's lighter weight. And this one, also just want to get some movement inward and down. And I'll get further with the lighter branches. Now these branches need a lot of help, and I think I'm going to heavily fertilize in spring. I want to go further down with this. Yeah. All right. So that's the start. I'm going to go through the rest of this a lot quicker, hopefully. At least for you guys. All right, I hope you enjoyed that very, very fast wiring. It turned out okay. There are some branches that I'm probably still going to deal with at some point. This one here and some other little small ones. But I've got everything spread out, and it should get more light and more nutrition in the springtime. I'll give it more nutrition in the springtime. And let's see how it does. It's turned from an almost hopeless case to something not too bad. I'm never going to get the double trunk that I'm looking for here. These are, two trees. Either that or it was one tree that I manipulated closer. I can't remember. I do have a video on it. I'll have to go back and look. This was like a second thought. It wasn't seated in the pot very well. I had refused to wire it in, and then I ended up doing this to hold it in place. So we'll see. I took a branch off and ginned it. I had to bend it as well to give it some character. But you're looking at the approximate front right there. And I hope you like it. Let's hope it gets better in the future. As I mentioned, my mom planted this as a cutting, as was her way. She couldn't bear to see my father taking things to the street to be picked up, so she would drag them back and plant them. So I'll be sure to let her know to watch this. This is her tree. I have a bunch more also like this that are almost only suited for literati style, but this didn't turn out too bad. I'm just going to let it mature. And when I repot it, if this wants to come apart, we'll see what happens then. All right. Thank you very much for keeping me company in my backyard on this rainy day on Long Island.